If Steam is throwing error 86, don't worry, because in this video I'll walk you through a simple set of fixes that often solve Steam connection and login issues fast. We'll go step by step, starting with Steam settings, then changing the download region, clearing the download cache, restarting Steam, and checking your VPN. This is one of those fixes that can save you a lot of time when Steam is acting up, and the best part is that you can do it yourself in just a few minutes. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Steam on your computer. In the top left corner, click Steam, then select Settings. This will open the main Steam settings menu, where we can adjust the network and download options that may be causing the error. Once the settings window is open, look for the download section on the left side. Click Downloads to open the download-related settings. Here, you'll want to check your download region. Sometimes Steam errors happen because the selected region is having problems or is too far from your location. Click the Download Region drop-down and choose a different nearby region. If your current region is already set correctly, you can still try switching it to another one temporarily, just to test whether that clears the issue. After that, look for the Clear Download Cache option. This is an important step, because Steam stores cached data that can sometimes become corrupted and trigger login or connection errors. Click Clear Download Cache, and if Steam asks you to confirm, go ahead and approve it. Keep in mind that Steam may sign you out when you clear the cache, and that's completely normal. Once the cache is cleared, fully restart Steam. Close the application completely, then reopen it so the new settings can take effect. After Steam has restarted, if you're using a VP, make sure to disable it. VPNs can sometimes interfere with Steam's connection to its servers, and may be the reason you're seeing error 86 in the first place. If you have any proxy tools, network filters, or other connection software running in the background, it's a good idea to temporarily turn those off too. Now try logging in again and see if the error is gone. In many cases, just changing the download region, clearing the cache, and restarting Steam is enough to fix the issue. If it still doesn't work, you can repeat the steps one more time and choose a different download region to test another server. You may also want to check your internet connection and make sure Steam is allowed through your firewall or antivirus settings. But in most situations, this basic fix is all you need to get Steam working normally again. So to recap, open Steam, go to Settings, open Downloads, change the download region, clear the download cache, restart Steam, disable any VPN, and then try logging in again. If this guide helped you fix Steam error 86, please give the video a like and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.